There is a new open source image model called Z Image, and the AI community is claiming it might be the new king of photorealism. But is it actually better than the current heavyweight champion Nano Banana Pro? Today we are going to find out which one is actually more realistic. So let's stress test Z Image inside FreePic against Nano Banana Pro. We are going to run tests to see how these models handle skin texture, complex lighting, and most importantly, the vibe. And along the way, I'm going to show you the exact prompting keywords you need to use to get the most realistic outputs. Round 1, the bad lighting test. Realism isn't about perfect lighting, it's about imperfect lighting. So let's see what happens. Look at Nano Banana, it's good, but the lighting is perfectly balanced. Now look at Z Image. It has some highlights on the forehead, making it look more natural. So to me, Z Image wins this round. Round 2, let's test atmosphere. Nano Banana is incredibly sharp. It's technically impressive, but Z Image does something interesting with the color grading. It feels more analog. It captures that muted, foggy morning vibe better. If you want a natural look, Z Image is surprisingly strong here. Round 3. This is the ultimate boss fight for AI realism, wet skin. Okay, this is a close one, but Z Image has this uneven redness in the cheeks. I think this is a tie. Round 4, we have to test the Gen Z Digicam aesthetic. This is huge on social media right now. We are asking the AI to simulate an old, cheap digital camera from the 2000s. This is fascinating. Nano Banana Pro did a good job, but however, I like Z Image. The realism just feels better. But I will let you decide the winner. Let's just have a look at a few more examples. So if you want that viral social media aesthetic, the flash photos, the candid dumps, Z Image is actually better because it creates the imperfections that fool our brains. I've put all the prompts I used in this video in the description below so you can test them yourself. Let me know in the comments which model you think won. And subscribe for more such AI content, and I'll see you in the next one.